Hi everyone, let's go. So today I want to teach and share with anyone, even with zero experience in affiliate marketing, how to use a free Google website. This system is so easy to set up and easy to replicate that it is so fast. Zero experience. If you don't have any, don't worry. My name is Ozzy, or you can call me Ozzy. I'm on my screen down here. Anyway. So today I want to teach and share with anyone, even with zero experience in affiliate marketing, how to use a free Google website. This system is so easy to set up and easy to replicate that it is so fast. Zero experience. If you don't have any, don't worry. My name is Ozzy, or you can call me Ozzy. I'm on my screen down here. Anyway, I'm going to teach and explain it twice or 3 times, so pay attention because this is a big win. This is an exciting system. Absolutely no special skills, no affiliate marketing experience, no email list, no nothing. Just a very simple system with drag and drop. Click here, click there. It is all so super close and so very easy to replicate this system. I'm going to give you all setup details. What you're going to need to do. The step-by-step set right here in this video. The short of it is that I'll show how to make affiliate money with a free Google website. So let's get it going. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve, exploring trends on Pinterest can be a big win. Just head over to pinterest.com, and don't forget to check out trends.pinterest.com. Here, you'll find the Pinterest itself with the lowdown on what's hot right now. Here's the category that we want to market to. So whatever niche you're in, you just Google Trend 2024 and see exactly. So, for example, men's prom suits for men. Look at that. 2021, it was really high, and last spring, so early summer, wow. So this is when you should start to monetize this thing to this audience. What is this hiding? I have been telling you from the beginning, go to this. It's trends.pinterest.com. This is trends. It's Pinterest trends to know what the niche to market to. And the reason, because we are going to have the AI to write articles. AI can write you an article. Wow. Okay, so just writing right now, we can craft these pieces of content right now because we can do that right here. Go to chat.openai.com/57, etc. Right here you go. And they say, prom suits for men. What are the 5 best prominently suits, however you want to phrase it? Hello, I know I'm AI. Would you like me to write you an article on 5 best prominently suits for men in 2024? Yeah, please, it will take 6 lines. Few lines later, wow, thank you so much. You have such a cool perspective on this. And there's your article. Then let's monetize that. Under each of the description of the suit type, check cool suits here. Check trendy suits here. Point done. Then the links in Kitco. So go to kitco.com and wrap up a few of the prom suit to it. Copy link and then paste to medium here and then done. Point. Kit screenshot for the suits would be awesome. So paint, color it up, boom, boom. When it's painted, colored, and looking great, published. Make sure you pick the right keywords because this is the topic section, so it's going to be great on search engines. The more articles, the higher your Google ranking and then potential money with affiliate. It won't be tomorrow, but it's a system to start to get a steady income if you put in work. If you're looking for more tips from me on Pinterest and affiliate revenue, check the next video in my series. So let's go and turn these prom suit searches into currency. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos.